How's it going, guys? It's me, MLG Gamer. Today I'm doing a reaction video to my old channels, because I have some old channel. I have an old channel called Domitron, because that's my real name, Dominic, and crap like that. So if I go here, you can see all my freaking videos that I made in the past, like 2015, going to 2016, but this was like 2 years ago in 2015. But I'm going to show you this first, and I sound really young in this, guys, so, yeah, like, I just sound super young.
Hello, guys, it's me, Domitron,
I told
and
you.
today I'm going to be doing a creepypasta story.
Look, my thing pauses, guys. Sorry about this. I don't know if it's ads or...
One late night, there was a kid named Mike. Him and Foxy were great friends. They got along just fine. And Mike was so obsessed with Foxy. He even got a play hook, a pirate shirt, and a pirate hat.
Let's do this one. I used to do a lot of Five Nights at Freddy's stuff.
Hello, guys, it's me, Domitron.
Look how young I look.
Today we're going to be doing some more
Dude, my thing
Five
is
Nights at Freddy's theory videos. It's just a theory! A game theory! Ah! But anyway, let's get started with the first image. Well,
what just happened?
actually, I'm not going to be doing images. I'm going to tell you about the Five Nights at Freddy's call on the, I think, 4th night. And then on the 5th night,
oh my gosh. That sounds so young!
Hey guys, me Domitron. And we're going to be doing another theories video. You know, just putting a lot of math theories and everything out there. But, the first image is going to be Springtrap ripping his suit off. So if you see anything like weird about his head, it's because the endoskeleton is in his head, as you can see. That's the weird shape of his head. So yeah, those of you that don't know what the shape of
Oh my god. Sounds so young though. But if you want to watch the full videos of these, you can go to Domitron and watch the videos that I made. Like, I used to do, like, gameplays of... I'm doing a video.
There we go, said my name. Okay, checking the cameras.
Okay. Yeah, I used to do a lot of crap and everything like that. This is one that I like. I like this one. I made this, like my friends, like, were calling me.
Hello.
Yeah, that was a, like, fan-made game that I was gonna make. Yeah, look how young I look, guys. Like...
Sup, guys? It's me, Domitron. Today I got home from school. Well, just now I got home from school. But anyway, it's a nice day outside, actually. Go out and get that fresh air. No, you wouldn't. So, but anyway, ain't I handsome? Wait, I'm not. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna show you this really outside today. nice out there.
I still look like that face when I do that.
So, yeah. That's the...
Oh my god, guys.
I'm watching it too.
Kind of embarrassing a little bit, because, like, I sound so little. See, I did a gameplay right here. You can go check these out for yourself, though, guys, if you want to see the whole videos. Like Foxy Challenge, beat Five Nights at Freddy's, Part 2, number 2, whatever. God.
Yeah, I'm watching this one too.
Hey guys, welcome back to Five Nights at Freddy's. Hope you had a good Easter yesterday.
Yeah, it was Easter when I made this.
The Foxy
It was
Challenge.
Easter. Wow.
So, yeah.
God, I miss you doing this channel. You see, if you ever watch this channel, the reason I never made a video anymore is because, like, my tablet broke, and I could show you that on my next vlog. And this is when I showed my freaking drawings off, like.
Yo, what's up? I just came home from school, and I want to show you some of my drawings.
Gosh.
And
this Easter one that I made, guys, is, like, funny as crap.
What's up, guys? Ta-da! Hey, Domitron, you want to go on an Easter egg hunt? Domitron? What? You're me! Dude, how did you even get in here? By the magic of Easter! Anyway, I'm going to count... No, you're going to count to 10, and I'm going to hide these eggs. Cool, how many are there? 3? Oh. Anyway, count to 10. Why? Just freaking count to 10! Fine. Hang on a sec. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Dude, I can totally see these. Find them.
Okay, guys, if you want to watch this for yourself.
Just find the freaking eggs. Fine.
If you want to watch
Dude,
this
are you
for yourself, you guys can just, like,
serious?
go and find them and everything like that. But I'm going to end the video here. Hope you liked it. If you did, give a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe. Leave a comment. And everything like that. And look out this channel. Like, it's so crazy how, like, freaking young I sound and how young I look. And it was, like, only, like, 2 years ago. It says it was 1 year ago, but it was actually, like, 2 years ago. But I hope you guys liked it. If you did, well, you know.